Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get free gifts on Temu. So the first step you need to do is to open Temu application. So once you open here you can see daily gift box. You can get daily gift box on Temu. Click here and it will land you onto the this page, and you can see open the box and you will get gift box for free. And on the next here you can see save up to $100 clearance, so you can get sale here. And here you can see today most unmissable deal. You can get great discount here as well. You can see price drop and you can see fast delivery and gift cards. So click here and here you can see popular gift ideas that you can use to buy something, and click on you and you can get coupons and offers here as well that you can use. So this is a process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.